I will install a mobile game on PC. Open a browser Microsoft Edge or Chrome. Then write Game Loop in the search bar. Hit Enter. Click on the first website. Then press on the download button. After pressing on the download button, the emulator will be installed in a few seconds. Go to the location where it is installed. Double-click on the application, and it will show up the start button. Press on it, and it will start installing. It depends on your Wi-Fi, how much it takes time.
2,000 years later.
Now it is about to complete, and it's now completed. And now click on the start button. Just wait so it can load itself. By the way, if you are subscribed, so thank you. If you are not, so please subscribe so we can reach at least 50 subscribers. So yeah, there it is. It is opened. From there you can full screen, and now you can install any kind of game you want. Let's, for example, we will download Subway Surfer. It will be good. My favorite game. So let's see. That it installed what to 1 GB. Let it install.
2,000 years later.
So finally it is now installed. Now we are still waiting. And Legends Shaw. I think we have to wait. Yes.
1 eternity later.
So finally we are here, and now the game is installed and it is loading. And we have got so many settings up here. I think you will explore all of them yourself. That'll be good. And let us load. Once it's loaded, my FPS are not looking good. Ignore them. You people don't subscribe. And this is all because of that. So, let it load. So here's our game. Now it is working. And ignore the FPS. Because right now I am recording in 4K. So you can think the load on my PC. You can also adjust your keys using key mapping. You will explore it when you install the game loop. And if you got any questions, please comment down, and I will reply you as fast as I can. So that's all. And you can also install the Free Fire PUBG using the simulator. So, bye-bye.